How to change name in War Thunder Mobile. So go ahead to War Thunder Mobile. From here you'll have to go to your profile icon at the top left. So once you're there, you'll have to click on your avatar. So once you're there, you can see avatar, nickname, title, name. Simply go to the name section, and here you'll press on change name. So it will read that you'll be directed towards the game website where you'll be changing your name. Simply press there, and you'll be directed towards their website directly by the game itself. So wait for some time, and then here simply press this option, and here you can see that you can simply change your name. Simply press on the pencil icon. Here you can change your nickname. Now enter the name according to your wish, so it can only contain letters and space and a space in middle, or digits or underscore. So here you can add anything. For example, let's see. So okay, let's press on change. So it has changed, and once you go on the game, you can see that you will be again like your game will get restarted, and then your game name will be changed as well. So that was the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.